Gemini sucks at making image edits, or you're not doing it the right way. And I'm here to rescue you by showing you how to open up the source code of an image using Gemini Nano Banana 2 and edit it with 100% precision using JSON. Sounds technical, but it's just a piece of cake. Starting off by going to gemini.google.com and let's upload the image that we want to edit. Simply go to add files, upload your image from your device. I've uploaded this image right here. Now you'll write a prompt that just a single line, which is this: extract all the information from this image and convert it into well-structured, readable JSON format. And that's about it. We already have Nano Banana 2 as the default model, so we don't even need to choose different mode and we can simply hit enter. Now this will give us something that looks like this. This is a JSON, and if you don't know, it's just a pair of key and item. Think of it like label and description. Like, let's say this is the label, which is image description, which has the subject. It talks about the subject, which is a woman with curly red hair and smiling expression. So it's really easy to read this, but to actually utilize this in our editing, we'll have to add our image again, after which you'll copy this whole JSON over here in your prompt and make changes accordingly. Now, if you want to change something like, let's say, the color of her dress and the length of her hair, we are going to go to the subject option. Here we will change the description of person to a woman with long curly hair, so that will make her hair longer. And then for the dress, we have this key right here which talks about green emerald velvet evening gown. So I'm going to change this to navy blue, and that's it. I have this, so all I have to do is go ahead and enter a little line about this JSON to edit the image according to the described JSON. So that's what my final prompt looks like, and if I hit send, and here's our result: longer hair and changed colored dress. And trust me, as someone who uses AI to try and edit images, this was really easy. Instead of asking Gemini 10 times to do single tasks which it fails, this gives precision and exact control on what elements to change. Now, this isn't it. You can use a similar approach to copy any style of photography from any images and take them as reference. Let me show you how. First off, I'm going to upload a reference image. Next, I'll add in this prompt which asks to describe the photography techniques, scenes, techniques into a formatted JSON. Now, what you'll do is copy this, and then you can upload your image or any of the image that you want to recreate following the same photography techniques and composition like the reference image. So this is my subject image, and now I'm going to add in the same prompt like the last time. Edit this image according to the provided JSON, and then I've added this JSON which I copied from over here, and that's about it. And I got this image, which is my character replicating the reference image, which was this right here, which is simply just perfect. Usually if you go ahead, add in both of these images and ask Gemini to Now these were two use cases, but you can use it. In multiple different uses. Also, other than this, a few other ways to get precise edits are using the annotation whenever you upload an image. Like, check this out. I've uploaded this product image, and if I click on it, you can literally scribble or add text and draw over this image. So if I go ahead and point an arrow towards this can right here and then add a text like change the color to red, it will be added on my text. And if I click done and then send this image over, and check this out, this is the result icon. Neat, right? Now another way to edit images, especially controlling the aspect ratios of your images, is pretty simple. All you have to do is add in your image, and it is as simple as typing aspect ratio 16:9, and you'll get a new image with your aspect ratio. Now this isn't just a cropped out image, but instead the AI has extended the image to fit into the aspect ratio. Similarly, this is a square image So, changing the aspect ratio of your image has never been easier. Lastly, a major edit that we all need is upscaling our images. So, here's the original image that I've uploaded, and now again, it's as simple as typing in enhance the quality and make it 4K. And this is the result. The difference is unreal. And this isn't even fully downloaded image. If you download this image, it will be the full size image, which will be more high quality than this one. So these were a few tricks and tips that will make Gemini editing easier for you. And honestly, I wish someone had told me all these before. I used to sit for hours trying to edit an image in Gemini, but in the end, I would give up and edit it myself. So, if you found this useful, do comment what kind of image are you editing, and I'll see you in the next one.